In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the hire date of an employee in QuickBooks. Whether you're updating records or correcting an entry, changing the hire date is simple if you know where to go. Let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible for you. First, you'll need to start by signing in to your QuickBooks account. This should be a routine step if you're accessing QuickBooks online regularly. Make sure you've got your login credentials ready. It's always a good idea to keep these secure and memorable. Once you're on the QuickBooks website, enter your username and password to proceed. After you've successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to the section you need. Choose QuickBooks Online from your list of products, and you'll be directed to the main dashboard. This dashboard is your command center and provides access to various features. From here, the focus is on managing employee details, so we'll move forward by navigating to the Employees section. Look for the Employees tab, which is usually located somewhere on your dashboard. Click on it and it should take you to a list of all your employees. If the list is lengthy, you can utilize the search function to quickly locate the specific employee whose hire date you need to change. Once you've found the correct employee, click on their profile to view their details. You should see various sections related to their employment details, payroll, and personal information. The section we're interested in is typically labeled as the employment details or something similar. Click to enter this section. Next, locate the edit option within the employment details. This button is the gateway to making any changes, including the hire date. Click it and the fields will become editable. Now that you have editing access, scroll until you find the field that displays the hire date. Carefully input the new hire date, ensuring accuracy as payroll and benefits calculations can depend heavily on this information. After making changes, don't forget to save your work. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom or top of the page, and click it. Saving is crucial as it ensures all your updates are recorded and reflected across relevant QuickBooks features. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the hire date for an employee in QuickBooks. Remember, regular checks and updates to employee data can help maintain the integrity of your records and assist in accurate reporting throughout your company. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to leave any questions in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials. Happy bookkeeping!